Guys, let's talk about creator inspiration, creator updates. What really does it mean? Now, when you go to your page, TikTok actually gives you ideas on the kind of topic that you should treat. They have what is called trending topic for the week, that they had selected all the trending topics, up to 50 of them, for a whole week. Now, why they are pointing that out to you is for you to pick any of those trending topics and create content using them. So, if you're in doubt, how can your post peak and trend? This is a very good one that you can pick from, because TikTok has taken out their time to select up to 50 trending topics for you. All you need to do is go through those trending topics, pick one that resonates with your kind of niche, create content on them, use the right hashtag, the relevant hashtag for that content, and you see the change on your page. So this is what this video is all about. I'm going to take you step by step and show you everything that you need to know about this update that TikTok brings out to the platform that you can use to go viral on your page. So if this is what you would like to see, don't forget to give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. Okay, guys, let us go. Like I said, guys, there are things you need to take on board. There are things you need to know if you really want your channel to grow on TikTok. Now, this is one of those things I'm going to show you in this video step by step, so that you know how to structure your content creation. So go to your page on TikTok, click on inbox here. Now, when you click on inbox, you see where it says creator updates. Click on that particular one. Now it says check out this week's trending topics. So what this means is every week, TikTok gives you an idea of the topics that are trending. Now, why they are telling you this is the fact that if you create content on one of these topics, you're going to, the likelihood of you going viral is very high. So let me click on it and check. Now, take a look. They sent me this message 15 hours ago, right? So I click on it. These are trending topics for the week. Now, if I click on post, these are trending posts for the week. You can watch them and get inspiration on what to create, so long as it's related to your niche. You must see the one that aligns with the kind of content that you create. Now, this one is trending creators. These are creators that are trending this week, right? And you can just scroll and have a look. You can go to their page, get inspiration, and all of that. But remember, what we are dealing on is trending topics. So other trending topics, guys, Huda Edits has gotten 110.7 million views. Yes, the second one. So these are the three most trending topics on TikTok for the week. The second one is what is one big beautiful bill. Now you can click on it to get inspiration on what it is all about, right? It's gotten 93.4 million views and it's still counting. You can see it's rising just in 2 days, from July 2nd to July 4th. You can see the trend is going so fast, like it's picking up views so fast. So you click on it, you can check out the videos that have been done on this particular topic. Then you get an idea what they are doing, what they are saying, how to construct it, just to get idea how to structure yours. Now, if you're ready to create content on this particular topic, you click on where it says start creating and you create content. Now let's go back. Now the third most trending topics for the week is filter game 222. You can see, so these are the first three most trending topics. The fourth one is this fifth, and all of that. You can see it's up to, is a lot, you know. So there is no way you will not find a topic that you can work on from this particular list. You don't know how people go viral. You don't know how people get to, you see, up to 50 topics, yeah? So, anyone that you want to create, you just click on start creating. Guys, this is it. Now, these are trending. Now, there's what is called recommended. Recommended are those topics that TikTok is recommending for you to create so that you can go viral as well, right? So under recommended, you have similar posts. You have the post that your viewers had viewed. You see followers viewed, or you can also search. You can see. So you just go ahead, you have a look, and yeah, so this is it, guys. If you're wondering how your content can be picking up and all of this, try this formula that I have just shown you. So as you can see, that is it, guys. It's very simple, very easy. If you abide by all of it, it's just like Creator Insight. I'm gonna also talk about Creator Insight and show us how you can use Creator Insight to take your content creating to the next level. But for now, implement what I just showed you. As you can see, many people are implementing it and they are getting views and a lot of engagement. So if you find value in this content, don't forget to give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. Until next time, you're welcome.